Imagine transforming any wall into a vibrant 100-inch theater. No bulky setup, no tangled wires, just instant movie magic. Meet the TMY P38 4K projector, a sleek, feature-packed mini projector that blends retro charm with cutting-edge tech. With autofocus, 4K upscaling, and Wi-Fi 6, this projector delivers stunning 1080 pixel clarity in seconds. Tilt it? No problem. 4D keystone correction keeps the image perfect. Obstacles in the way? Smart avoidance adjusts the screen on the fly. Plus, Bluetooth 5.0 and dual 5W speakers mean your favorite films and games sound as good as they look. Whether you're gaming on PS5, streaming Netflix, or hosting backyard movie nights, the TMY P38 packs big screen thrills into a portable, stylish design. Ready to upgrade your viewing experience? Let's dive into why this projector might be your next favorite gadget. Unboxing and first impressions. The TMY P38 arrives in a well-packaged box with the projector, remote control, with batteries, power adapter, HDMI cable, user manual. First impressions? The projector has a unique retro design resembling a high-end Bluetooth speaker. The matte green finish gives it a premium look, making it a stylish addition to any room. Design and build quality. Key design features: compact and portable, easy to carry for outdoor movie nights. Retro speaker-like aesthetics, doubles as home decor. Ventilation and heat management, prevents overheating during long use. Adjustable stand for tilt control. The build feels sturdy, with no cheap plastic creaking. The front houses the lens, while the back includes HDMI, USB, and audio ports. Display performance and image quality. Specs: native resolution, 1080p, supports 4K input. Brightness: 180 ANC lumens. Contrast ratio: 10,000 to 1. Display technology: LCD. Real-world performance. Brightness: works best in dark or dimly lit rooms. Not ideal for daylight use. Colors: vibrant with good saturation, better than many budget projectors. Sharpness: 1080p clarity is impressive for its size, though 4K playback is upscaled. Best for nighttime movie sessions, gaming in a dark room, outdoor projections after sunset. Autofocus and keystone correction. Autofocus activates in 3 seconds upon startup. Manual override via remote control. 4D keystone correction. Automatically adjusts the image to a perfect rectangle, even if the projector is tilted. Works well at angles up to 40 degrees. Verdict: one of the best auto correction systems in its price range. Auto screen adjustment and obstacle avoidance. Auto screen adjustment detects screen edges and auto resizes the image to fit. Obstacle avoidance: if there's a picture frame or wall object, the projector shifts the image to avoid distortion. Use case: perfect for uneven walls or cluttered spaces. Connectivity options: wireless, Wi-Fi 6 and 5G support, faster streaming, less lag. Bluetooth 5.0. Connect wireless headphones or speakers. Wired ports: HDMI for Fire Stick, PS5, laptop. USB for movies, photos. 3.5mm audio jack. Screen mirroring works with iOS, Android, and Windows devices. Sound quality and built-in speakers. Dual 5W speakers, louder than most mini projectors. Bass enhancement. Decent for movies, but audiophiles may prefer external speakers. Good for casual viewing. For better sound, use Bluetooth speakers. Gaming performance: PS5, Xbox, PC. Input lag: approximately 30 milliseconds. Decent for casual gaming. HDMI 2.0 support: 1080 pixel at 60 Hz. Best for single-player RPGs, movies, and light multiplayer gaming. Not ideal for competitive FPS gamers who need ultra-low latency. User interface and remote control: simple UI, easy navigation. Remote control: responsive, with dedicated focus and keystone buttons. Portability and outdoor use. Weighs under 5 pounds, easy to carry. Battery-free, needs a power outlet. Great for backyard movies, camping, with a power bank. Pros and cons. Pros: stunning retro design, quick autofocus and keystone correction, 4K support, upscaled. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth. Good sound for a mini projector. Cons: not bright enough for daytime use. No built-in battery. 180 ANSI lumens is modest. Darker rooms only. Final verdict: after thoroughly testing the TMY P38 4K projector, it's clear that this compact powerhouse delivers an impressive big screen experience without the hassle of traditional setups. With autofocus, 4D keystone correction, obstacle avoidance, and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, it takes the frustration out of projector alignment and streaming. Why you'll love it: plug-and-play simplicity. Auto adjustments mean perfect image alignment in seconds. Sharp 1080 pixel plus 4K upscaling. Vibrant colors and crisp details for movies and gaming. Portable and stylish. Its retro Bluetooth speaker design fits any room aesthetic. Great for indoor and outdoor use. Perfect for movie nights, gaming, or backyard screenings. Who should buy it? Movie lovers who want an easy cinematic experience at home. Gamers looking for a larger-than-life display, though competitive players may want lower latency. Tech enthusiasts who appreciate smart features like auto obstacle avoidance. While its 180 ANSI brightness limits daytime use, the TMY P38 excels in dark or dim environments, offering exceptional value for its price. If you want a feature-rich, portable projector that's as stylish as it is functional, this is a fantastic choice.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.